The role of a property manager involves juggling various tasks to ensure smooth operations, tenant satisfaction, and property owner contentment. Traditionally, property managers relied on paperwork, manual record-keeping, and labor-intensive processes. However, with the advent of property management software, a new era of efficiency and automation has emerged. In this article, we will compare the experiences of a property manager using paperwork versus one leveraging the advantages of property management software. Task efficiency. Paper-based, managing properties with paperwork often involves a time-consuming array of physical documents, from lease agreements to maintenance requests. Each task, from rent collection to property inspections, requires manual coordination and record-keeping. Software-driven, property management software streamlines tasks, automates workflows, and centralizes information. Rent collection, maintenance requests, and lease renewals become efficient and automated processes, freeing up time for property managers to focus on strategic aspects of their role. Document management. Paper-based, managing a portfolio through paperwork requires extensive physical storage space for documents such as lease agreements, inspection reports, and financial records. Retrieving specific documents can be time-consuming, and the risk of loss or damage is a constant concern. Software-driven, property management software provides a digital repository for all documents, accessible with a few clicks. This not only saves physical space but also enhances document security and retrieval efficiency. Tenant and owner communication. Paper-based, communication with tenants and property owners can be labor-intensive through manual means. Sending out notices and updates, and responding to inquiries involve physical correspondence and manual tracking. Software-driven, property management software often includes tenant and owner portals, enabling seamless communication. Announcements, alerts, and updates can be communicated instantly, fostering transparent and efficient communication channels. Financial tracking. Paper-based, tracking financial transactions, from rent payments to expenses, using manual methods is prone to errors and can be time-consuming. Generating financial reports requires meticulous record-keeping. Software-driven, property management software automates financial tracking, providing real-time insights into income, expenses, and overall financial performance. This facilitates accurate reporting and enables property managers to make informed financial decisions. Maintenance coordination. Paper-based, coordinating maintenance requests, repairs, and vendor management with paperwork involves phone calls, physical paperwork, and manual tracking. This can lead to delays and inefficiencies. Software-driven, property management software streamlines maintenance processes. Maintenance requests can be submitted online, tracked digitally, and assigned to vendors efficiently. This results in quicker response times and improved tenant satisfaction. Scalability. Paper-based, as a property manager's portfolio grows, managing an increasing volume of paperwork becomes overwhelming. Manual processes become less scalable and can lead to errors due to the sheer volume of tasks. Software-driven, property management software is designed to scale alongside the business. It accommodates an expanding portfolio seamlessly, ensuring that efficiency and accuracy are maintained even with a larger workload. Data security. Paper-based, security concerns are inherent in a paper-based system. Physical documents can be lost, damaged, or accessed by unauthorized individuals, posing a risk to sensitive information. Software-driven, property management software prioritizes data security. Encrypted databases, secure login credentials, and regular data backups ensure the confidentiality and integrity of crucial property and tenant data. The comparison between a property manager using paperwork and one leveraging property management software highlights a transformative shift in efficiency, accuracy, and overall effectiveness. While a paper-based approach is characterized by manual processes, limited scalability, and security concerns, property management software introduces automation, streamlined workflows, and enhanced data security. As the industry continues to evolve, property managers embracing technology are better positioned to meet the demands of a dynamic and competitive market.